lives direct by the Spirit of power that raised Christ from the dead. But now the poor stand and confess that my portion is Him, and I'm more than blessed. Let now our hearts burn with a flame, a fire consuming all for your Son's holy name. And with the heavens we declare, You are our King. We love You, Lord. We worship You. You are our God. You alone are good. Let now Your church shine as the bride that You saw